So, how to improve vocabulary? How to improve the vocabularies? Okay. So, for that things, first of all, I would like to highlight a dialogue of Amitabh Bachchan, and that is indicate into a movie. And that movie is really very, I think 1990, I think 19th century. So Namak Halal, like if you want to learn English, so you can eat English, you can drink English, you can sleep English, you can do all things with English. Okay, English, 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 English. Okay, so now you got that. I wanted to say only one thing only, that if you want to improve your English vocabulary, so it is not a short pack, that you also can improve your vocabulary in one day, okay, or on the first day. Okay. So for that things you have to do, focus on the reading sections if you want to improve your vocabulary. While the reading sections, you also can get a lot of words, and those words you can highlight. Just search on the Google and just correct the pronunciation and just try to capture with means. These are these are vocabulary you can get easily while the reading sections. Second options. Second options what? That when you will eat English, when you will drink English, when you will sleep with English, when you will talk with English in English, when you will talk in English, when you will listen in English, when you will hug in English, when you will kiss in English, when you will do everything, when you will live yourself with English environment 24 into 7, and in these situations definitely when you will listen, when you will analyze, watch, eat, so definitely words automatically come out in your mouth. You don't have need to learn especially new vocabulary, because suppose I just give example. Okay, right now one person is on my main door, okay, and right now I'm fighting with you. Okay, I'm just giving example. I'm just giving to example. I'm fighting with you. So in this situation, if someone will come at the home and that person is waiting for me, that I will go and open the door. So what do you think? That I will fight with that person? No, I don't I wouldn't fight with that person. Definitely I would react very politely with that guy, but I will not leave my English communications. If that person know how to speak in English, in this situation, how to manage myself, I have to know. Okay, I have to know how to manage that guy, because now I got a chance to speak in English. So just go and just to say welcome, and just try to talk with that person in English. But for that things, there is a something is what different in your home. A little bit fighting with your sister. So when you are fighting with your sister, okay, and when you are fighting with your sister, at the same time you are welcoming to the second persons at the main door. Okay, in these situations you can think, I was fighting with my sister, how to reply to my sister in English with new word, and you just try to use your mind and just try to create new words by you. This is the magical trick. Please just try to do that. This is the magical trick. And sometimes it's happened because we are not good at English. This is not our mother tongue. This is the second language. So definitely it is not easy to capture new words by yourself. For the things you have to search on the Google and just try to use those words with your silly sister, fighter sister. Okay, so now you can get what I want to say, how to use the, how to, like, if you want to learn new vocabulary, so just don't do that, just don't search a lot of place. No, don't go different place. Okay, just try to go only with one process on the reading sections. Second is, when you are fighting, when you are eating, when you are drinking, when you are doing any kind of things, try to do with English. And when you will get that I don't know how to say in English, I don't know, like you will search in your mind that I want to reply to that, I want to reply my sister, but I don't know how to say in English. Okay, in these situations there is a two benefit. First is that you just think more and more to search the vocabulary. Okay, for the things you will have to go on the Google. Second thing is, you also can stop your fighting with your sister, and after that you also can create love, lot of love for your sister. Okay, means this is actually trick to stop your fighting.